Okay, now please. So, Raja, confined to 4 minutes.
Yes, sir.
You know how to speak in 4 minutes.
Sir, thank you, sir. I rise to place my views on the record for record's sake, sir, like my previous colleagues. Sir, while we agreed to pass the finance bill, we also agreed to allow the government to amend certain central laws. Even this bill, while we agree to, whether we agree or not, while we discuss this bill also amends a central law. The section 88, the last section 88 in the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, in the schedule in Part C, after entry 3 relating to the offences against property under Chapter 17 of the Indian Penal Code, the following entry shall be inserted, namely, it is an amendment, sir. So, I do not know whether it is proper for Rajya Sabha to agree to amend laws just like that in the name of clearing the money bills. It is for the government to take note, because it happened in case of finance bill, it is happening in the case of this black money bill also. Sir, this black money bill is a new form of 1977 voluntary disclosure of income scheme launched by the then finance minister, Mr. P. Chidambaram. That is how I understand this. But the present BJP government is trying to show this piece of legislation as a revolutionary idea to control the black money. Sir, in 1991, Dr. Manmohan Singh had introduced several schemes, namely the National Housing Bank Deposits, Foreign Exchange Remittances schemes, the India Development Bonds, and the Gold Bond schemes. These were all efforts made by the then government to control the black money. Since Vanchi Committee, which characterized black money as which was running parallel economy. Black money runs parallel economy. That is what Vanchi Committee report said. Since then, we had several laws and several initiatives to control black money. And as my colleague Sudarshan Nachappan said, what is the drastic difference between this present bill and the 1961 Income Tax Act? I do not find much difference. But this bill is brought. And 2011, a high-level committee was constituted by the central government to examine the issue of black money. 2011, Supreme Court has instructed the government to constitute an SIT. 2012, a committee on measures to tackle black money in India and abroad submitted its report. 2012, Finance Minister tabled a white paper on black money. 2014, when you came to power, you constituted an SIT. So all these steps were taken. And besides all these things, our government entered into several agreements. This double taxation avoidance agreement. Government of India signed this agreement with 82 countries in 2012. Then tax information exchange agreements. Our government signed agreement with 42 countries in 2012. We have multilateral convention on mutual administrative assistance in tax matters. There is no dearth of laws, but black money is not unearthed. Why? This is a political question which should be addressed. Government of the day should have the political will and determination. Now whether your government will have that political will and determination to unearth black money. Otherwise, this will go as one of the other existing laws and legislations. Is it that the country wants? No. The country wants you to act, and I think this legislation is a response, in fact a political response to the huge public criticism of your government for your failure to act on black money. And as many colleagues pointed out, even this black money, this black needs to be changed. It has some other connotation.
Okay.
And in fact, we consider black is a color and black is the beauty in India.
Yes.
Why we should call it black money? It is unaccounted money, looted money, which is a genuine money, belongs to the country and people. It has been looted or it has been not accounted to the government. So, sir, now what we want or what the people want
Okay.
is that government should act. Whether you will act, that is the question people are asking. I am not getting into rhetorics,
Okay.
whether 15 lakhs will
All
come
right,
to me
all
or
right, all
come
right.
to any citizen.
All
The
right.
point is, black
All
money
right.
needs to be unearthed,
Okay.
and the
That
laws
is
are
accepted.
there, legislations are there, only the
Your-
political
your
will
suggestion is
necessary
accepted, okay.
and determination is necessary. I hope as finance minister, at least you try
Okay.
to do. Otherwise, you will also end
All
up
right, you are saying
in,
the same thing.
where other finance ministers